Hey first graders, this is Mr. Fries, and today we're going to do another math problem with my dog Scoop. And today we're going to do it with her friend Boots from Dora, one of her favorite stuffed animals. So Boots is a monkey, and Boots hangs out in a tree. The tree lost 8 leaves one day and 4 leaves the next. How many leaves did the tree lose at the end of 2 days? Use a number bond, a number sentence, and a statement to match your story. Let's see what Boots thinks we should do. Boots thinks, I think I want to make 10 by taking from the 4, because 8 is a bigger number. I'm going to take a little bit away from the 4 to make 10, and how much do I need to take? So right now, have your teacher pause this video, and you can try the problem on your own. When you're ready to see Boots' answer, press play. Okay, so even though it doesn't tell me to do a drawing, I do a drawing every time. So I know the tree lost on day 1, so I'm going to put O for 1, 8 leaves. And again, when I work with pictures, I like to draw them in a 10 frame. I'm going to make my leaves X's today. In a 10 frame, I like to put 5 on top. And since I need to get to 8, I'm going to count on 6, 7, 8. So there should be 2 blank spaces in my 10 frame. The next day, I'm going to use N for next. I only had 4 leaves off my tree. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I've got a drawing to help me. It says they want a number bond and a number sentence. So I think my sentence is going to be 8 plus 4 equals, I don't know yet, so I'm going to draw a mystery box there. But I know I need a statement as well. So I need to know what my statement's about. Since this problem is about leaves, my answer needs to be about leaves. If I need help spelling leaves, I can always go look in my problem and find the word and copy it. So I know some amount of leaves, I've got my number sentence, and I need to draw my number bond. And I think I know the 2 parts, because I want to combine these days together, and these are the parts of a number bond, and I want to make the whole. So here's my strategy. I'm always going to try and make 10. So it looks like I need to take one of these guys, and that'll fill in over here. So that fills in another spot, but I have a second spot to be able to move this guy over and fill in the rest of my 10 frame. So what I've done is I've taken 2 away from my 4, and that makes 10 with 8 and 2. Remember, whenever we make 10, we want to circle it. So I know that gives me 10, but I've got to see what's left of the 4. Well, when I look at my picture, I have 2 leaves left, and I know if I take 2 away, 2 plus 2 equals 4. So really what I've done is take 8 plus 4 and turn it into an easier math problem, 10 plus 2. Now I know I can easily add that because I keep my 1 in the tens place and add 2 to my ones place. Now I know my answer is 12 leaves. I want to fill in the top part of my number bond with 12, and now I've done everything I've asked. I drew a picture, I wrote a number bond, I wrote a number sentence, and I wrote a statement about leaves. Let's see what Boots has to say. Scoop and Boots love recycling. Did you know that every year nearly 900 million trees are cut down to provide paper for Americans? Scoop says, please recycle every time. Those bins are where your papers need to go. We don't throw things out, we reduce, reuse, recycle. Have a good day, first graders.